Now let's consider this question on simple interest. Now before you can solve a question on simple interest, you must know these two formulas. The first one is I, the I is the interest, equal to P, which is the principal, times R, the rate, times T, the time, over 100. And also A is equal to P plus I. Now the second formula is used when you know the principal and the interest. The A is the total amount of the loan to be repaid or to be paid. So now it says a sum of $900 earns 135 simple interest in 18 months. Calculate the rate of simple interest per year. So in 1 year, we should calculate the rate of the interest. Now this 900 is the principal. So let's write it here. P, which is $900, earns 135 simple interest. So the interest, which is I, is 135 dollars in 18 months. The time is 18 months. Calculate the rate of simple interest per year. Now even though we can just start calculating, but be careful, the time is must always be in years, but in this question it was given in months, so we have to convert this 18 months in year. And now when you want to convert the time in years, divide number by 12. So 18 months over 12 months. Now this month will cancel, so we have 18 over 12. Now 18 is the same as 3 times 6, and 12 is the same as 2 times 6. The 6 cancels out. You have 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is the same as 3 times 1 over 2. So you have 3 times 0.5. And 3 times 0.5, 3 times 5 is 15. And then we just move one decimal place to the right, to the left. So we have 1.5. So the time 18 months in years is 1.5 years. So 1 year, 6 months. Knowing the principal, knowing the interest, and knowing the time, we can just go ahead and then find the rate. But always check the time before, because sometimes the time will be given in months and then you have to convert it into years. And whenever you want to convert the time in years, divide it by 12. Now the formula is I, which is equal to P times R times T all over 100. The I over here is 135. So 135 times P. P is 900. Sorry. Let me do it well. So the I, 135. P is 900 times R. You don't know the R. You're looking for the R. So R times T. The T is 1.5 all over 100. Now this 0 cancels the 0. Now you have 135 is equal to 9 times 1.5 times R. And 9 times 1.5 is 13.5. So 13.5 times R. So we are going to have 135, which is equal to 13.5 times R is 13.5 R. Let's divide both sides by 13.5. Over here 2 by 13.5. 13.5 cancels out. You have R equal to 135 over 13.5. And if you type this into your calculator, 135 divided by 13.5, you shall have 10. So now the rate of the simple interest per year is 10%. So you can just write the answer. Therefore, the rate of the interest is 10%.